Hello, I'm CG Yin. This is a quick video to show how to insert link in Canva. After starting Canva, we can choose a template. I will use presentation. Then a presentation design page is created. Next, we can add text, or we can add photo, or we can add elements. In this tutorial, I will use add text box. So click text and go to add a text box. And then we can type, for example, I type my website. And then go to select the text and go to three-dot menu, and we can find link here. Or we can use shortcut Ctrl K to add link. I click it, and then we can type the link. For example, I type my website address, http://cgn.com. And then we can press done to add the link into the text box. We can find it here, and then we can press done. Now, if we want to preview it, we can go to full screen, and then we can move the cursor. This is the button. We can click it, and then we can go to the link to my website here. I go back to Canva and press escape to create. If you want to edit it, we can go to the pencil to edit the link. So this is how we can insert link in Canva. Thank you for watching this video. Hope this helped. Please subscribe this channel. More video will be shared with you. I'm CG Yin. See you in the next video.